So I didn't wake up one day successful. Okay, I was laid off at age 33. I felt invisible in my office, right? That they didn't even cherish me, right? They have actually gotten a new head, right? And someone took over, and then they wanted to replace us with her own stuff. Okay, that's how it works. And if you got laid off, anyway. So no direction, no income back then, and I just got my house. So I was really in deep shit, right? And no choice, I went to find a part-time data entry club, all right? And I cried. I was like, I cry every day, I remember. And I don't know whether I'm in the right direction, because inside my heart, right, I wanted to be my own boss, right? So I didn't stay there, and a friend invited me to a makeup class, right? So it was a network marketing business, so I went, and I learned this lesson. Like, if anyone invited you for something, just go, just explore, okay? You don't have to say yes on that spot, all right? And so I was amazed at the product that helped to change my life, change my face, okay? It helps to improve my skin. My skin was not very smooth back then, all right? It was very, very oily and a lot of big pores and a lot of blackheads. So with the network marketing business that I was in back then, now I'm no longer inside, right? I'm really very impressed, and I started to reach out to my business associates, my friends. And guess what, right? My friends, yeah, they supported one or two. The most that supported me, right, are the ones who are my business associates, right? I just know them for a few months, a few years, right? And they really supported me. They even invite their friends to come and attend my class, right? And then they started to invite their friends, and that's how I grow my business. And some of them said, why don't you come to my office and do it for my girls? So I just did it, right? And they loved the products, and I could like earn from like $100 per class to like $2,000 per class that period of time. I really thank God for provision, because if you tell me back then, right, that I'll be so successful, I can tell you I have no confidence at all, because I'm actually a worrier. I'm actually an overthinker. But I find that once you start to do action, right, you will not worry, you will not be afraid. So if you are worrying about something right now, do something, do some action, right? Even if you're doing a video to attract your clients, just do it, right? Don't think so much, okay? If I were to think so much back then in 2020 for TikTok, right, you know, I would never be so successful and able to be so independent. And I just closed a $5,000 business coaching project, right? And then last year I just closed a 21,000 social media projects, right? And then I am right now talking to companies from overseas, not even in Singapore, right, that they want to work with me. So that's why it's very, very important that you learn how to edify yourself, right, and learn how to encourage yourself. So I was very invisible back then after I lost my job, you know. Even my ex-husband, right, I felt that he is worrying about his situation. At the same time, he knows, you know, he has no ability to take care of me. So that's what I felt. Okay, so I felt invisible in my family life and also in my career. So day by day, right, I show up, I go out and meet friends, meet clients, right, and God opened the door. So if you feel like you're stuck in a rut, okay, and if you feel invisible in front of your friends, your family, and even your man, right, you can DM me for mindset coaching, right, and also style transformation, right, so that I can help you to reignite your fire and your presence, all right? We should not, you know, like subject ourselves to the current fate that we have. It will change, okay? The wheel of fortune will change. So trust yourself, okay, guys? So thank you so much for following me. And if you're interested in my coaching, please DM me for more information. And I'm most willing to have a call with you, right, to see whether we are a good fit. All right, guys, so I'll see you also in my next video. Bye!